Hello, and welcome back to Learn Java on Codecademy. We're in the Object-Oriented Java section, Lesson Inheritance. You've created a fully functional dog class. Congratulations. One of the object-oriented programming concepts that allows us to reuse and maintain code more efficiently is called inheritance. It is used to share or inherit behavior from another class. Let's look at an example. Here is our car class, in which they added extends vehicle. This allows us to inherit from the vehicle class. Here's our model year variable, which when we create a new car, we pass in this year, which gets assigned to model year. Down here, they omitted the other methods for brevity. Then there's our main method, which creates a new car, my fast car, and we pass in 2007. Down here, we use check battery status method on my fast car. Check battery status is located in another file, which contains class vehicle. This has this check battery status method, which prints out the battery is fully charged and ready to go. So in the example above, the extends keyword is used to indicate that the car class inherits the behavior defined in the vehicle class. This makes sense since a car is a type of vehicle. Within the main method of car, we call the check battery status method on my fast car. Since car inherits from vehicle, we can use methods defined in vehicle on car objects. Note that there are now two files in the code editor. Within the dog class, use the extends keyword to inherit from the animal class. So first off, we're going to go here, and just like it says, our class dog inherits now from this animal class, since a dog is a type of animal. And similarly to up here, we just want to use the extends keyword, which is here. Class dog extends animal. So if we run this, we did pass. Second, within the main method of the dog class, call the check status method on the spike object. If we look over here, our animal class has check status method. Over here, we can use that since we're now telling it to with the extends keyword. Down here, we can simply do spike dot check status, and then if we run that, we should pass. We did pass, and it did print out your pet is healthy and happy, just the way we see it here. So the important concept here is inheritance. We're able to inherit from other classes and use the information within those classes as long as we use the extends keyword. It gives us access to this other file and that class, so we can use it with another class. In this instance, we have a dog class that inherits from the animal class because there are similar things that we can use from the animal class in our dog class. We'll learn more about this concept in the upcoming lessons. That was inheritance on Codecademy's Learn Java. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next lesson. See you guys then.